Today, I'm super excited to be sharing with you how I fry my goat meat for Christmas. I use this for my stews, for my jollof. I can even have it on its own. It brings back so many childhood memories, as my sisters and I would always sneak and consume it before my mom would use it in her stews and her jollof. It was so good. Why don't you stay tuned as I share the recipe with you? Of course, I'll begin by cutting my goat meat into my preferred sizes. I always get people asking where I get the goat meat with skin from. Well, today let me break it to you. It's always a gift for my dear sister, okay? Sorry if I'm not able to show you where to get it, but this was a gift and I have no idea. If you cannot find goat meat with skin where you are, don't worry, as the ones without skin will work same. I know that the ones with skin come with so much taste, but don't worry, you can get it to be perfect as well. So once cutting is done, I'll wash it very well and transfer this to my pot. Now for seasoning, I'll add some ground white pepper, some black pepper as well, also grounded. I never ever omit this when I'm seasoning my meat. I always add the two, as it's so good. I'll also add some shrimp seasoning, some bay leaves, which is a must, some salt, my vegetable seasoning, which I never go without. I lost the footage, pardon me. Now, as part of the ingredients needed to cook the meat, I've got some onions, some garlic, some ginger, habanero pepper, and some green bell pepper. Trust me, the green bell pepper adds so much flavor. Please do not omit it. That is the secret ingredient to getting the tastiest goat meat this Christmas. Okay, I'll blend everything together and set some aside for later. I did not use everything. I'll then add a little bit of water. I added enough water here as I needed the stock for my jollof rice, but normally please do not add so much water, okay? Add just a little bit, as the goat meat will release its own juices to cook the meat. Once it comes to a boil, I will give everything a stir, cover it back and allow it to cook until it's nice and tender. And here our goat meat is ready. Well, almost ready, as we're going to fry it. So I'll separate the meat from the stock and set the stock aside for next time I'm making my stew or jollof. It goes so well with it, so never throw your stock out, okay? Now into a pot, I'll add enough oil. I'm going to deep fry my goat meat, so make sure the oil is enough. Once it heats up, I will toss in my cooked goat meat and fry until each side is nice and golden brown and crispy. The aroma, is so heavenly, and this goat meat was simply delicious. Brings back so many childhood memories. You know, when you're younger, you always want to grow quicker, so you leave home. But once you leave, you wish you can go back and relive all those memories. And this definitely took me back. And this is the end result. You can use this for your stews, for your jollof rice, and is simply tasty. If you're still here, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment and share. See you in the next one. Bye for now.